Today we're talking about vocal projection. And remember, vocal projection is all about your ability as a singer to be heard by your audience while performing. So we're taking the Greek performance, or will I say Greece, ancient Greece, as a case study. Then performers did perform in theaters and they didn't have access to the microphone. So they did what is called the echo game, so that their voice projected for everyone in the theater. So those who are singing, those who are giving their speeches, one performer or the other, they have to practice this because they didn't have access to the microphone. So it will also be helpful to us now, because as singers, no matter how skilled you are, if you are not heard by your audience, you are not passing any message at all. The people will not feel what you're doing. So this is what they did and what we should do. This is the exercise. You get? So the first one is done like this, as though you are laughing. Ha ha ha. Then the next is similar, or it's like this. Ho ho ho. And then the last is like the sound of a man. He he he. You get? So you do after me. Ha ha ha. Ho ho ho. He he he. So this exercise strengthens our vocal muscles so that we could have control over our sound to make it loud, medium, or soft.